Welcome to Weekly Rewind. Mother Nature provided some spectacular sights this week. Sit back and get ready for some fun and exciting wildlife. The highlight of the week was a visit to Assateague Island National Seashore, Maryland, but more on that later. We had a day of snow midweek, which meant I was stuck at home. But fortunately, the birds were busy visiting my feeders. The surprise visitors were these Eastern Bluebirds, who were enjoying the suet. Also enjoying the suet was a northern mockingbird, another unusual visitor to my yard. Fortunately, the temperatures went high enough to melt most of the snow, so I wasn't stuck at home for too long. During a visit to oyster rocks, two boat-tailed grackles were looking for food, while the sun caused their feathers to glisten. A pair of gadwall were looking for food in the wet marsh. While hiking at Prime Hook National Wildlife Refuge, I was treated to a variety of birds. Now to the beautiful day at Assateague. With the morning sun putting a spotlight on the various wildlife, it was a great day for taking pictures and videos. Here are some of my favorites. If you're interested in learning about the horses that live on the island, check out the link at the end of this video. While at Assateague, I started the Hikers 365 Adventure Challenge. I'll be hiking at least 365 miles over the next year. The challenge is sponsored by My Adventure Challenge. When the challenge is completed, not only will I have improved my physical and mental health, a tree will be planted on my behalf in one of the national forests. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? In addition to the link for the video about the Assateague Island horses, I'm providing a link to my introductory video about the Hikers 365 Challenge. There's more information about the various challenges on their website. Thanks for watching.